Hello friends, in this video you will learn about implement queue using linked list program. The task is implement a queue using linked list. Here is the input. In this one, important point is a query queue is of two types. First one is 1x. A query of this type means pushing x into the queue. Second one, 2. A query of this type means to pop an element from the queue and print the popped element. Input output, I will explain the example. Our task is just complete the provided functions. Here is the example. Input, first one is the number of test cases. In every test case, we take the two lines. First line is the number of queries. Second line is the details of those queries. Same way other test cases. See this output. What is happening in the output? Taking this second test case to get idea about this output. Queue following the properties first in first out. So in this first query is 1 2 push the 2 into the queue having the 2 now. Then second query is 2 pop that element, print that element. 2 is popped out from the queue and print the 2 value. Queue empty now. Third query is 2. When the queue empty, just print -1. -1 is printed. Fourth query 1 3. Push the 3 value into the queue. This is happening in the queue. To solve this task, I have written a code. Here is our code. Push. What is happening? Push into x. Create the node. Queue node star new data equal to new queue node x. X value with the data x, a node is created. Then see the queue. There are two chances for queue. One is empty. In that case, rare value is null. Rare equal to null is true. If block execute. Then friend equal to rare equal to new data. The new node pointed by friend and rare in that case. Otherwise, already queue having multiple data. Nothing but queue is not empty. In that case, rare next equal to new data. Rare next is new data. Rare move to rare next and return. See this, rare is the right node in the linked list. Front is the left node in the linked list. See what is happening in the pop. There is also two chances. One is queue empty. In that case, front value is null. Front equal to null. Just return -1. If queue having the data, in that case, else block execute. In that x, take the variable x to get the data. X equal to front data. Front means left node in the linked list. Then queue node, creating the temporary node t equal to front, t also pointing left node front. Then front equal to front next. Front is moved to the next. Free the t. The t pointing node is free. Then moving the front, there are two chances. There is once front is not null, front null. If the front is null, rare we need to become rare also null. Then after return x, the popped element is returned. See, our code is right or not by compile test. Expected output, our output is same. Then submit. Correct answer with the execution time 0.01. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.